Don't eat non-veg, you will be weak. How can you get all those proteins, vitamins, and minerals? You're too young. Why are you leaving non-veg? Why are you not eating it? You're just eating salad all the time. Just have non-veg, na? And be powerful, be healthy, and live a little. It's common to hear all these words when you're vegetarian. But how much of these things are true? Let us know in this video. People say that we are not getting enough protein, minerals, and vitamins while we are eating vegetarian food. The animals that people are eating are mostly herbivorous and they are also eating vegetables. So, how those animals are getting those vitamins and minerals? Prove that vegetarian meals have all the protein and minerals that we need. And second thing is that mostly people say that we will lack vitamin B12, omega 3, and protein. But we will get protein from lentils, legumes, and many more things. If we talk about 9 essential nutrients, then paneer have everything. If we are not eating paneer, but still legumes and lentils have a lot of protein, and if we mix them, then we can get all the 9 essential amino acids. Second is vitamin B12. We can easily get it from dosa, idli, and vada because they are fermented food, and fermented foods have a lot of vitamin B12. And third is omega 3 fatty acid. Lentils, mangoes, cashews, walnuts, soya beans, all these things have omega 3 fatty acids. Case is closed that we don't get proteins, minerals, and vitamins from vegetarian food. In fact, we have a lot of varieties that we can eat and get all these things. Second thing that people say is that you will be weak. You will not have any power in your body. But it is also not true. Think about an elephant. He's a vegetarian animal and still he is so much powerful that can beat a lion very easily. And second animals is horse. We compare the power with horse, like horse power. So how can we say that will not have any power if we are eating vegetables? If we look at humans, all the vegetarian people are not weak and all the non-vegetarian people are not strong. So this is just a myth. People say that you will not get any taste and these all are very dull food, but it is also not true because we have a lot of varieties in vegetarian food, but non-veg have very less varieties, and that is why we can play with a lot of flavors and lot of things with vegetarian food, and vegetarian food is as tasty as non-veg. All the carnivorous animals are alone. They are never social. And all the herbivorous animals are social. They live with their breed. This is the only reason that we have to save carnivorous animals. We never have to save herbivorous animals because they live socially, and human is also a social animal. So by nature we are not meant to eat non-veg food. People say that they will overpopulate the earth if we don't eat those animals. People are only breeding these animals by infusing chemicals in birds and every other animals that people eat. We are only overpopulating them, and these kind of animals does not have any brain, does not have any proteins and minerals because they are truly breeded. They are too much breeded that they lack everything. How can they give us proteins and vitamins and minerals when they don't even have that? All the vegetarian food have the power of life, but non-vegetarian food does not have a power of life because it is coming from dead animals. That is why vegetarian food can give you a lot of power. If non-vegetarian people have to cut the animal first before eating, then 10% of non-vegetarian people will be there in whole earth. It is said that if somebody sees a slaughterhouse, they will never touch meat again. We have a quality called humanity. We cannot see other animals in pain. That is why we are not meant to eat non-vegetarian food. People say that eggs are vegetarian, but how can they be vegetarian when we can get chicks from them? And if people say that no, vegetarian eggs does not have chicks in them, but they are still growing, they are never going bad. It is the only symptom that we can see that it has a life. It coming from a chicken's fertile area. That is why it is very bad to eat. It is not pure and it is not worthy to eat it. It is just a plan of egg businessmen to sell eggs to vegetarian people. Non-veg is also a major source of a lot of diseases. The animal that they are cutting can have a lot of diseases and we can get that. And we don't know what they are eating, we don't know how they are bringing them up. It is very dangerous to eat non-vegetarian food. And according to Jain literature, meat is an impure substance. It cannot be obtained without killing any animal. After killing that animals, the meat also contains a lot of microorganisms that are bad for our body. It is not even worthy to touch. With जैसा खाओ अन्न वैसा होवे मन. That means whatever we are eating, our mind will be according to that. Which is obtained by cruelty, and if we are eating non-vegetarian food, then we also can get cruel. At last, I want to say that we are not living to eat. We are eating to live.